Hey guys, we received this Kenbry Drywall anchor repair kit for test and try. 1.96 inches by 39.37 inches patch with the easy cut and fast loose anchors fix. So let me just take this out. So this comes with this pack. So this have this roll. So you can cut and put it on the wall. So this is the roll, like have this drywall patch so that you can easily wet with the water and then cut a patch with the water and then put the screws and back into the looser drywall screws. So this will hold in the wall and you can easily put in the screws. The ziplock is provided so you can store the remaining one. So these are the screws that you can see which one, and you can easily wrap it around and put it in the drywall to secure it again. So you don't need to re-drill or do anything. It can easily patch your drywall.
So now let's just try this, and this is the main with the cement or the plaster on it. So we can just take a piece of it so I can show you the demo. And then this need to be wet. So this is the one screw I'm testing, and this is a hole in the drywall. So I'm just putting this on top of it, putting a water on it so that it will becomes a little bit solid. So let me just make it the shape. This is the water that I'm putting on it. So it will soak a little bit of the water to make it a little bit solid, and then I can just push it in. So this will go inside. You can see that in the hole earlier it was not going, but so it's now sealed properly, and after some time when it's dry, I will try to put in a screw. So you can see from the back as well, this is totally fit and is not going anywhere. So let it keep dry for some time. Till that time I will just take a screw and just try to put in it. So basically, if there is any hole where the normal screws are not fitting in, you can use this to make that gap filled up, and you can easily use that. So I'm just using a drill just to put in this screw. So the fitting is fine, and let me just put in this screw. So here you can see like the screw is easily going and this part is not moving anywhere. No smooth entry with the screw. So I'm just taking this out as well just to show you. And even if I'm just this is all little dried up, and when I'm just pulling it, it is not coming out. So it's very nice fit